Hey. Yo. 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 Hey. Hey. Hey.
And shout out to my boy Emo, shout out to Lefty, you know what I'm saying? We kind of give y'all a really great show. So I'm an alternative hip hop artist from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and I hope y'all fuck with me. Can I get hands up in the air, please? Hands up. So then, I can't come home. No, that time is done. Free love, free love, free love, free love, somebody too, bitch, I just might shoot up to this nigga out the roof, can't keep my cool. Nigga been on the break room, a bitch tried been there, remember, and I put that on my gang. All my niggas on the flag, and I put that on my gang. All my niggas is on the flag. I'm gonna need y'all to make some noise for E, my bro.
If I can do it without fucking falling.
We on a noise complaint tour, so we gotta really make this shit big, man. We gotta really fuck some shit up. You understand? Not literally. We love y'all. Sure. And I want to introduce y'all to the man that really loves so well.
I be giving a lot, but still don't be lacking for nothing. I don't be stressed about none. When trouble comes, I'll never run. Yeah. I go as hard as they come, and that's to the day that I'm done. I got stripes. Nigga, I earn my stripes. In the stool getting lit all night. And I just show the.
When I say ugly, y'all say world ugly. Ugly. When I say ugly, y'all say world ugly. Ugly.
It's gonna be a night to remember, niggas.
Noise complaint tour, nigga.
Noise complaint tour. Ooh.
Bitch, I'm outside. Bitch, I'm outside.
Hey, real ugly motherfucking world.
Fucking with tops like Marcus. Big drums.
Hey, yo!
That shit was just cracking, man. We just said I would have fucked down, Gary.
We just shook the stage, man. Me and this nigga now, man. First stop on the tour, man. We just rocked that shit, bro.
That shit was beautiful, nigga. It was a beautiful turnout. All the artists went fucking crazy. Shout out to the DJ fucking Heartfather, you feel what I'm saying?
Next stop is Madison, bro, and we rocking that shit again, man. Y'all go see the footage. We went crazy, bro. We selling merch too, man. At every stop, check that shit out. With the people, man, we making connections, man. I told y'all, we bigger than just the city, man. Stay tuned.
The Noise Complaint Tour, yeah.
Big shit, nigga.
2022, nigga, fuck with us.